Hello and welcome. My name is Saeed and this is another car review. Today I have a 2022 Acura RDX PMC edition. Now what makes this PMC edition so special is not only is it a limited production run, one of 200, also these PMCs are made in the Performance Manufacturing Center where the NSXs are built. This PMC was hand built by master technicians, hand painted, handcrafted, everything to the T. Now, you'll notice the paint is a special color paint as well. This is the NSX Long Beach Blue Pearl, and it's paired with a orchid interior with black Alcantara suede inserts. You'll notice the front of the RDX is the same as the Advanced A-Spec. Now the Advanced A-Spec is a new trim level for 2022. They did not have that trim level when they launched this generation in 2019. You'll also notice some blue stitching on here, on the doors, on the dash, and also on the steering wheel. The RDX PMC is a limited production. Like I said, this one here is number 61, and you'll see that number plate there. That's the only place it says PMC. It's essentially an Acura RDX A-Spec Advanced, but the PMC is because it's hand built in the Performance Manufacturing Center. Now, you do get some upgrades with this. So it's a heads-up display, 360 camera, kick-activated liftgate. Those are the upgrades on the Advanced. And then they also have wireless charger, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then also ventilated seats for driver and passenger, heated seats for driver and passenger as well, different dynamic modes. Home link is there, auto dimming mirror is there. You have your memory seating for driver 1 and driver 2. You have your blind spot monitors. They're going to be in the pillars there. You get all the safety sensing features, right? So you're going to have the lane keeping assist system, adaptive cruise control. You'll see the blue stitching on the inside of the steering wheel there. It's a flat bottom steering wheel, which is pretty nice. The heads-up display controls are going to be there, and you can adjust that to your liking. You can change the settings and have turn by turn. You can have your apps up there. Your electronic parking brake along with your parking sensors and traction control are going to be there as well. Upgraded sound system. I think the metal looks really good with that blue stitching and that leather on the doors. The flat bottom steering wheel. Heated steering wheel as well. This is a super handling all-wheel drive system. So you'll have the best of the best as far as everything that Acura offers. As far as feature-wise, will be included in the PMC. There's the panoramic roof there. In case you haven't noticed, I'm a super big fan of the PMC editions. They're just rare. They're really cool. There's the digital, semi-digital, and analog dashboard, black handles on the doors, and then you also get a black painted roof, which gives it a little extra oomph there. There goes the cockpit. The dynamic mode is right in the center. There's a panel roof view from the back seat, and then you have the gear select, the NSX gear select right there, and then you also have a vent for the rear, and then rear heated outboard seats for the rear passengers. Fuel door, if the car is unlocked, the fuel door is unlocked. 60-40 split on the rear, really easy to use. You want to drop the 40, use the right handle. You want to drop the 60 side, use the left handle. Some additional cubbies in storage there. If you want to use the full activated liftgate, you give it a swift kick right where you saw my hand go, right straight front to back. You'll notice the profile from the side, high gloss trim on the side pieces, high gloss on the mirror caps, and those are power folding mirrors as well. High gloss grille, body colored trim, full LED jeweled headlights. There's a 360 camera. I don't know, let me know, are you buying or selling the Acura PMC edition? If you're buying one, I have one for sale.